Hey everyone, my name is Nick and welcome to How to PC channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play Cup Heroes on your PC or laptop. So you definitely need to have a downloaded Android emulator on your PC. It's a special application with which you can use the virtual phone on your computer. It's a simple process, don't be scared, and let's get started. So there are many different emulators out there. In this video we will use LD Player. Right here you can see their icon. So let's install the app. Now I'm gonna go to any browser, for example Firefox, or you can use Google Chrome. Type in the search box LD Player and go to their official website. Right here, just click on this link. And after that, just click on this button, download LD Player 9. Or you can download another version, just click on all versions and install LD Player 5 or LD Player 3 if you want. And now at the top right in the download history, you can see the LD Player downloader right here. Just run it and now install LD Player on your device. But I have it already installed. Now I'm gonna open it and finally we run the emulator. You can install any apps on this virtual Android device. So just click on apps and go to Play Store. So after that, let's search for Cup Heroes. And here it is. This game is from a popular company, Voodoo. So let's click on install to download this game and just wait. Well, the application has downloaded to our emulator. Now let's run it. Click on play and that's all. Now I'm in the game and that's how you can easily play this phone game on your PC or laptop. And yeah, really hope I was able to help you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day to you.